As part of bicommunal cooperation in Cyprus, the European Union has provided €900,000 of funding for the restoration of the Othello Castle, which was undertaken by the Technical Committee on Cultural Heritage and completed in July 2015 with technical assistance by UNDP Cyprus. Built 700 years ago, the castle is among the most precious cultural and historical heritage sites on the island. Bearing traces of Venetian and Lusignan architecture, each stone in its construction has a unique story.
The end product of the work at the Othello's Tower is an important outcome of the ongoing cooperation between the Turkish Cypriots and the Greek Cypriots within the framework of the Technical Committee on Cultural Heritage. Our work has shown that if we cooperate, we can produce a lot of good things for the benefit of the two sides and everyone living in Cyprus. We sincerely hope that the work of the committee will set an example for cooperation in other areas in Cyprus.
Named after the famous play by William Shakespeare, Othello Castle has been instrumental in shaping Famagusta's identity as a city.
All monuments conserved by the Technical Committee are very important. Othello Tower in Famagusta is particularly important, not only because of its intrinsic historical value and significance, but also because it marks the expanded outreach in the work of the Technical Committee from small rural areas and small monuments to larger secular monuments in larger population urban areas.
Restored within the framework of bicommunal cooperation, thanks to the joint efforts of the European Union, UNDP Cyprus, and the Technical Committee on Cultural Heritage. Othello Castle now also offers a virtual tour via computers, smartphones and tablets. You can marvel at Othello Castle's architectural richness with this 360-degree virtual tour and find yourselves inside the castle for a great experience.